It is quite difficult for a student who wants to try out robotics or ROS or self-driving cars or just want to try out AI or a physical system to get those components and build something like themselves, especially if a person is not from mechanical engineering background.
We designed a solution for just that, CK-9. CK-9 is a robotics development hardware kit. It comes with a modular design so that you could add any number of sensors or boards on top of it.
What sets CK9 apart is you can add a LiDAR, a Kinect, or any other sensors or actuators, making it truly modular, making it truly yours.
CK-9 comes with a LiDAR for 360-degree scanning, motors with encoders so that you can know the position and use that for dead reckoning, and IMU as well, the best possible sensors for autonomous mobile robots for indoor users.
We made something that we wished existed while we were students. We are hopeful CK9 will speed up your robotics and AI development process.